Okay, here's a good question. A number of people have asked me this one about, I forget what question number it is, but it's in 1.4, and the question is write an equation or a function. So I'm looking for this when I'm given this information. So there's a point, and then it's parallel to this line, or it's perpendicular to that line. And each question is a separate one. So this is one question, that'll be a second question. You're all done, Pam? Yeah, you can pass it in. This will be part of the Scribblecast. Good. Thanks.
Bye, people.
Okay, so if it's parallel to this line here, let me just draw this one out maybe. So here's my line, and 3, 5. So 3 and 5, maybe about up there, would be the point. And then it says it has this line too, and this line might be, I don't know, it has a y-intercept of 1 and 2 7, so up 2 over 7. So here might be that line, something like that. So I have this point, my point's 3, 5, that's right, it's right there, and it's parallel to this line. Well, if it's parallel, it means they have to have the same slope. So if this one has a slope of 2 7s, then that's this one, then my line also has to have a slope of 2 7s. So then what I do to do the equation, I'd have to write out, here I've got y equals mx plus b. I know the slope has to be 2 7s plus b. And then they gave me this point that's on that line. So this is an x and a y value. I can plug that in here. So it would be, oh, not a y. My y value is 5. So a 5 is equal to 2 7s. My x value, I think, was a 3 plus b. Multiply this, so that'd be 6 over 7 plus b is equal to 5. And then subtract 6 7ths on each side. So 5 minus 6 7ths equals b. And then figure that out. I think it comes out to 4 1/7. You can check that on the calculator. That'll be my y-intercept. Therefore, now I can plug that into my original y equals mx plus b thing. So y equals m is 2 7ths. That's my slope. X plus my y-intercept I just figured out was 4 1/7. So that would be the equation of the line that has this point on it, this point, and it has this as its slope. Okay, and that's what you have to do. Now for the second part where it says it's perpendicular to this line, you're going to have the same thing. Let me write it down over here. So you'd have y equals 2 7ths x, what was that other number? Oh, plus 1. And my point is 3 5. So I still have my point. This one, I'm wanting the slope of a perpendicular line to this one. So perpendicular means it's the slope is the negative reciprocal of each other. So this slope would be, flip it over, so it'd be 7 over 2, and change the sign, so it would be minus. So here's my point, here's my slope. Now I just have to go and do the same thing as I did just right there. Plug in the slope, plug in my x and my y value. So this slope down there will be the minus 7 over 2. That's what would go in there. The 3 and the 5. Solve for b again. Okay? Hopefully that helps you out with that question.